Good morning, students. Today in this video, I will cover a few defines an NCERT zone. Chapter 3, Class 10, Money and Credit. First of all, to begin with, few definitions. Barter system. What is barter system? A system in which goods were exchanged with goods without the use of money. Then comes your double coincidence of wants. In this, both the parties agree to exchange goods with each other. Money, anything will be called money if it is widely accepted while purchasing goods and services and is endowed with legal powers. That is the signature of the RBI governor. Medium of exchange. This means that money acts as a medium of exchange for buying goods and services. Anything, anywhere you wish to buy, you can buy it very well. Then comes your check. A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay the specific amount from the person's account to the person whose name it is issued. Then comes the credit. Credit means the agreement in between the lender, which supplies the borrower with the money, and the lender promises to pay the money in future. Collateral. Collateral is the asset like building, papers of the building, car, gold, property, anything XYZ which the borrower owns, and he gives it to the lender. In return, the lender gives the money. For in if case the loan is not repaid, the lender is free to sell off to realize his loan. Terms of credit. It is the documentation between the lender and the borrower. In this, it includes the terms of credit, include the mode of payment, the interest rate, the years, or the collateral, what is being pledged. Everything is written in detail. Now comes a very important thing, a debt trap. What is a debt trap? It is a situation when the borrowing is higher than the income. A trap is a jar. The person borrows the money, and if he or she fails to materialize his dream, is caught in a debt trap. Means his income falls than the interest rate and the amount he has borrowed. And in that case, for example, in your book there is a Sapna who took the loan and there was a crop failure. She had to sell a part of the land to repay her loan. She was caught in a debt trap. Now question comes, what are the requirements to be fulfilled while taking a home loan? There are 4 things which need to be fulfilled. They have to submit the income certificate. What is the use of the income certificate? Income certificate shows that you have a regular income and bank can rely upon you that you are capable of giving the every month installment, that is EMI, and then only you will get a loan. Second thing is that the person has to submit the collateral. What is collateral? I told you, the things you pledge on which the government will give you loan, and in case the borrower fails, the loan can be recovered by selling of the collateral. Third thing, the borrower has to bring 2 guarantors. What are the guarantors going to do? The guarantors take the guarantee that if by chance the borrower fails to repay the loan, we are ready to pay back the loan. And lastly, if you are taking a house loan, you need to give the plan or the map, house map, which is passed by the Planning Authority of India. Next, moving on to why इन सिचुएशन, बस ये आप इतनी रहेगी, इसमें बंद करो, इसमें इतनी रहेगी, ये सिर्फ डिफाइंस थी।